So, how to flash ng Windows 10 sa flash drive mo. So, first you need a flash drive. Yan, 128 gig yan. So, pwede rin 8 gig or 16 gig. And then, search nyo sa Google, Windows 10 ISO. And then, click nyo ang first link. Yan. And then, you go here. You click downloads. Hindi ko na pag-i-click kasi na-download ko na. And then, open nyo. Once you download, open nyo. Yan. And then, mag-greeted kayo. So, wag nyo click ang upgrade PC, click nyo create installation media USB. So, next natin. And then, okay, next. And then, USB flash drive. It needs at least 8 gig. So, next. And then, okay, sa F, tamang drive. And then, next. Hintayin nyo lang siya na mag-set up lahat. So, this tutorial is about how to flash Windows 10 sa USB para ma-boot up nyo kung gusto nyo mag-reformat ng PC nyo. So yan, makita nyo 8%. Right now, dina-download niya, and then siya na bahala mag-set up ng files sa flash drive. Pero nyo pa, after that, once natapos na, just plug it in back sa computer na gusto nyo i-reformat. And then, yan, different tutorial naman. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!